I bought a 2005 Yamaha R1. Notice I got a leak in my front tire. You see a little bit. There are air bubbles right there between the tire and the rim. And it looks like a pretty good leak right there between the tire and the rim. I've got some bead sealer. I'm going to pop the bead loose from the rim, put some bead sealer in it, put this thing back together, see if that stops my leak, which it should. Got a vise. I'm actually going to stick the tire down in between the vise, like right at the edge of the wheel, and clamp it shut to see about popping the bead loose. I've got the bead popped loose from the wheel, and that's one spot that I needed it, and my other spot is right here, so all I've got to do is take a couple of pry bars and pop it loose a little bit further around there so I can get bead sealer in both of those spots. This is bead sealer. I actually found somebody that had a little bit, so I didn't have to buy any. I'm going to put a little bit on here and then smear it in between. Try not to get it all over your wheel at the same time. So now all I've got to do is pump it back up and then check it again and make sure it's not leaking. You've got to check and make sure it's got enough air. If it doesn't have enough air, the leak will not show itself. Sometimes to double check a leak, you may have to pump it up a little more than what it's supposed to be. You put enough air in something, it's going to show a leak, if there's a leak. Nothing's moving there now. And then my other marks were from right here to right here. And looking across that, I see no bubbles anymore either. That's all there is.